This video tutorial I will explain what is DevOps. DevOps is the combination of the words development and operation. DevOps refers to the set of practices and tools that help software development teams and IT operation teams work together more effectively. The main goal is to create and deliver software more quickly and reliably. Why does DevOps matter? Imagine you have a restaurant. In a restaurant, you have two main groups of people: the chefs in the kitchen who cook the food, and wait staff who serve the food to the customer and make sure they are happy. The chef is equivalent to developers in IT world, and wait staff is equivalent to operation team member in the IT world. Now think of a situation where chefs and wait staffs don't talk to each other much. The chef might cook amazing food, but if wait staff doesn't know what dishes are ready and how to serve them, then customers won't get their food on time or might get wrong orders. This lead to unhappy customers and chaotic restaurant. DevOps is like creating strong teamwork system between chefs and wait staff or developers and operation team members. It is a set of practices that helps developers and operation team members to communicate better and work together more efficiently and understand each other needs and challenges. In more technical terms, DevOps is the combination of development and operation. Development is nothing but creating software, and operation is nothing but deploying the software and managing the software. DevOps aims to shorten the time it takes to deliver high quality software to the user by improving collaboration and automating many processes. Here you can see the key concepts of DevOps: collaboration, automation, continuous integration and continuous delivery, monitoring and feedback. First point is collaboration. Development and operation teams work together closely, breaking down barriers between the teams to improve communication and collaboration. Second point is automation. Repetitive tasks are automated to save time and reduce errors. For example, if there is any change in the software, instead of testing manually, automated tests can be run. Third point is continuous integration and continuous delivery. In case of continuous integration, developers frequently merge their code changes into a shared repository where automated tests are run. In case of continuous delivery, code changes are automatically prepared for release to production, making it easier to deploy updates quickly and safely. Fourth point is monitoring and feedback. Constantly monitoring software and systems to catch issues early. Gathering feedback from users to make continuous improvements. We will see one of the real world example. Imagine you use a popular app on your phone. The app is regularly updated with new features and bug fixes. Behind the scenes, there is a DevOps team ensuring that these updates are developed, tested, released quickly and smoothly without causing the app to crash or behave unpredictably. Now we will see benefits of DevOps. The first point is faster delivery. Software is developed and released more quickly. The second point is higher quality. Automated testing and continuous monitoring catch the problems early. Third point is better reliability. Continuous delivery ensures updates are less likely to cause issues. Fourth point is happier teams. Developers and operation teams work together, reducing friction and improving job satisfaction. Now we will see key components of DevOps. The first one is continuous integration. Developers frequently merge their code changes into a shared repository where automated tests ensure everything works correctly. The second one is continuous delivery. Once code is tested, it is automatically prepared for release, making it easy to deploy new features quickly. Third one is monitoring and logging. Keeping an eye on software in real time helps the team to spot the issues and fix the issues before they affect the users. Fourth one is collaboration tools. Just like a kitchen might use a shared whiteboard to track orders, DevOps uses tools like Slack or Jira to help teams to communicate and manage their work. Now we will see the conclusion. DevOps is all about making the process of developing and delivering software more efficient and reliable by fostering better collaboration between development and operation teams, automating repetitive tasks, and continuously monitoring and improving the process. DevOps ensures that users get better software faster and more reliably. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.